All right, I got this. Hi, everybody. Jim here. I've created a music software called Legato. It's a notation software. And the reason I sigh is this is my third or fourth take because I'm so excited about this. And I just want to show the live MIDI, but then I go off on a tangent and talk about some of the other stuff in regards to programming and all that. Anyway, here we go. This is my last take. I just wanted to showcase live MIDI and also test it out. It's been a while. What will happen is I have it quantized the program up to an eighth note. And that means any melody that I come up with, the shortest duration will be an eighth note. That's what the program will read. I'm very excited. And before I kind of go off on a few things, I'm going to click record very soon and play. I might have to mute this mic because of feedback and stuff like that. That's another thing I have to think about. One thing I did though with the live MIDI recording, I did a thing called human assist. What that means is I neutralized the velocity, any accents, because sometimes when we're playing, when we're recording, the computer will take exactly what you did. So if you're a little ahead of the beat or off, or you play one note super loud by mistake, that's what it will capture, and then you have to do the take again. So neutralizes, you just have the basic of the melody, and then you can add in dynamics or what have you. All right, so I'm going to put my headphones on, and hopefully this goes as well as I intend it to. I'm going to play, I don't know, a 2 or a 4 bar melody in 4/4 time, and then I'll play it back, and so you can see it. All right, so this is a test flight. All right, 4 counts. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and rewind. Not bad. I think I was thinking more about if I did this and that. The flute, I didn't have the sound samples that low, but that's okay. You can either try it again if you don't like it, or you can delete it. And I did do this because I'm also a big MuseScore user. I click off to the side and then I delete it. And then I can also click off to the side, and if I want, control, go up. Yeah, I know why some of the notes are not showing because the flute normally doesn't play that low. So I don't think I took the samples there. So this is pretty good. I am now, though, I'm going to just delete all of this. I want to try the piano. The piano is a whole different beast. And I want to see if it will pick up the melody in the right hand. I'll play like an open chord or something. Super simple. All right, so here I go. Think I'll stay in C for now. And yes, I did create the MIDI record where 3, 4, 6, 8, and all that. I'm not going to get into it too much today, but I have the split point. What's always driven me crazy with some programs, you can't always split where you want middle C because depending on how you're writing. But this is what I come up with. So I have a little slider. So right now, C4 is very normal, especially in America. That's middle C, okay? And the piano sample I'm using is just like a basic Salamander playback synth. All right, so let's see. I'll just do some chords, and I'm gonna keep it to an eighth note to keep things honest. I'm gonna think more long notes and chords, see how it does. All right. It's funny, I'm more nervous doing this than a basic tutorial or playing. It's very weird to take a flight on this new software. So I've highlighted that. I don't even know if I needed to, but I don't have a manual. Who wrote this? All right, so I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna do for a second. I'll do something really basic, and I don't know. Let's just do a test flight. All right, here we go. Mute. I still have it on the screen. I had to render the other video and do this now because I pressed the wrong button and the camera stopped. So I was just talking to nobody. I'm going to play back on what we've done. Let's see what's going on. obviously, if you're going to record, you're going to have an idea what you want to do at first, but I'm really happy it took everything I wanted to do. In the future, what I want to do is show you guys how to overdub, where you have that and then you can put another line on top of that. So that should be really exciting. Let me know what you guys think. All right, take care. Bye bye. Getting a little, I'm tired, man. This has been a lot of fun, but I'm so excited I can see the coding coming together. Maybe I'll show some of that because that's I don't know. If you're looking for something to do, you can do some coding.